let's talk about how I keep my white furniture white, even with 4 kids in the house. So the first step, which is a major key, is choosing furniture that comes in a high quality performance fabric. Whether you're having your furniture custom built or you're choosing it off the showroom floor, it's important to choose a performance fabric because it's so much easier to clean, it's resistant to stains, and it doesn't easily absorb liquid. So let's get into the process.
We need to clean the couch because the kids have been sitting on it. I haven't cleaned it in like probably a month, and yeah, we got some stains. There's like something right here. With this couch, not only does it need to be like spot clean, but it also needs to be lint rolled on a daily, like a regular basis, because it collects a lot of dust. So we're gonna clean this. You can see like how, maybe y'all can't see on camera, it looks like a little bit dingy. So we're gonna clean this whole couch, this whole chair. We're gonna clean all of the furniture. We're gonna lint roll it and spot treat all of it. Folex, this is what I use to clean the couch. This is what I used to clean up stains on the carpet, stuff on the couch, everything. So if you don't have this, you need this. This is a major key. What I do is take a normal rag, like a microfiber cloth, like this. I wet it with like some soapy water. And one thing I use to clean out the lint roller is this little brush. I got this, it actually came on our spray mop from Amazon, so I'll link it. But this does a really good job of cleaning out the lint roller. And then I'll just collect all the lint on the floor and then just vacuum when I'm done. And once I get it pretty clean, that's when I go in and start working on the couch. Okay, so the couch is done. It looks like we care again. Stains are gone. Looks like new. No issues. Now, moving on to this, because this chair is a mess. So, it has just like a lot of dinginess and some discoloration on the arm, on the cushion. This one similarly has stains, and like there's a stain right here, and then there's a stain right here, stain on the back, stain right there. Yeah, we gotta take care of this. So just wanted to show y'all before so that I can show y'all the after. So here is the before. I want y'all to see like what it looks like in the light. So the cushion almost looks like it's a different color than the bottom. And lint rolling it will do a lot to fix that, because it just, like I said, it collects a lot of lint. So, all right, let's get to it. So now that I got a good amount of the lint off, I can see some of the stains that are on here. So there's one right here. And then there's just like more stains, more discoloration. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Okay, I got all the furniture cleaned, and this is what it looks like now. So much whiter and brighter and cleaner.
So that is the entire process that I use to clean my furniture. It takes me probably about 30 to 45 minutes to do all of the pieces of furniture and get everything looking new again. So if you do it frequently enough, you will be able to maintain your white furniture. The key is just staying on top of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links to everything I use will be below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.